Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn oblique views of this sum. Now if you see in this sum, they have given front view and right hand side view. If you see the length is 50, height is 50, width is 35. So according to that we need to draw a box, right? And origin is given on the right hand side. So we'll take 45 degree, which is receding angle on the right hand side. After that, if you see in front view, there are two parts. One A and B, and in side view 1 and 2. See this A part, B part. A part is here, so that will come nearer to us. We take 45, 50, width 35 and height 50. So we'll start with part A. So if you see part A, height is 25. And you draw part A like this. You take center point and take radius 10. Now after doing this, width of this object A is 20. So take all the points behind by 20. So we are done with this part A. Then we need to draw part B, right? This is part 1 is also done. Part B, which is part 2 in side view. So for that we'll take this vertical line. Then we'll draw horizontal line, which is 50, and then we'll drop this line, right? We'll draw straight. After that we'll take midpoint. And from there we can take radius 10. Take this line behind. Take this center also behind by 10. This will be dark. This will be also dark. Now we take this radius 10. Go behind by 10. And draw radius 10 again. See this 10, we took 10. Now we'll draw axis line. Wherever we have circle, we'll do labeling, that is origin and 45 degree, and dimensioning. Thank you.